Morning, guys. Welcome to Brugge's Maths Academy. In this particular session, we are going to discuss exercise 23b, which is based on quadrilaterals. Okay, so first we'll be focusing on parallelogram. Formula for parallelogram is base into height. Okay, so area of parallelogram is base into height. Perfect. So if this is b1, so this is your h1. So b1 and h1. It can be like this way also, bacha. If this is your base 2, this is your height 2. Okay, so depends on what kind of base you take. Okay, corresponding height changes. From here I can conclude one more thing. Therefore you observe, so your area is b1 h1, but it is also equals to b2 h2. So this relation also helps you a lot. Please note down. Fine. So let's start with exercise 23b, sum number 1. Your base is 65 centimeter. Your height is 7.8 centimeter. Therefore, we all know area of parallelogram is base into height, which is 65 into 7.8, which is equals to 507 centimeter square. Very easy sum to begin with, beta. Your base is 6.4 meter. Your height is 75 centimeter. 75 centimeter, that is equals to 0.75 meters. Okay. Now in this case, the area of parallelogram would be again base into height, 6.4 into 0.75, 64 by 10, 75 by 100, 25 3s are 25 4s are 4 1s are 4 16s are 48 by 10, which is 4.8. So this is how you do calculations, bacha log. Chalo, let's move to question number 2. If we are doing exercise 23b, now on question number 2. चलो, क्या बोला है बेटा? हाइट इज 1/3 बेस. तो अगर हम लोग बेस को मैं x लेता हूँ, so the height becomes 1/3x. It is given area is 192 centimeter square. Therefore, area of parallelogram base into height. Perfect, beta. So 192 is equals to base is x, height is 1/3x. मल्टीप्लाई करो 576. Okay, but the distance between the longer side is given as 12.5. Okay, so ये 12.5 दिया है. Okay, we have to find the distance between the shorter side. Okay, so let us assume B1, H1, B2, H2 is missing. Okay, first let us find area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is base into height. So B1 and H1 both are available. But we also know area of parallelogram is B2 into H2. Okay, therefore 325 is equals to B220 into H2. Understood, guys? Everyone? Very nice sum. Fourth one. ABCD is a parallelogram having adjacent side AB and BC as 16 and 14. If its area is 168, find the distance between longer side and between the shorter side. Very easy sums. I always prefer to draw diagram. It works. Area is base into height. Area कितना दिया बेटा? 168. So when the base is 16 into height h1, guys, fifth one. In the adjoining figure, ABCD is a parallelogram in which AB, BC and diagonal is given. Find the area of parallelogram ABCD, distance between them and distance. Okay, we have to find the area and then the distances. Okay, now please understand whatever I'm going to teach you right now. Okay, you haven't done yet. Okay, it's a part of 9th standard curriculum to find area of triangle using something called as Heron's formula. Okay, so I'm going to teach you Heron's formula right now. Very easy, that's why I'm teaching you. Please note down करके रखो बेटा. So when three sides are given, okay, so ABC, let us assume, okay, let us focus on area of triangle. First we'll focus on area of triangle. So my A is 30 centimeter, my B is 28 centimeter, and my C is, say for example, 26 centimeter. The first step is to find semi perimeter. क्या बोलते हैं? S को semi perimeter बोलते हैं, which is A plus B plus C upon 2. फिर what is the formula for Heron's formula? Okay, just note down. What is Heron's formula? To find area of triangle, it is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, so 42, 42 minus 30, 42 minus 26, and 42 minus 28. So 42 into 12 into 16 into 14. But I never multiply. 42 को मैं 14 3 से लिख सकता हूँ, 12 को मैं 3 into 2 into 2 लिख सकता हूँ, 16 को 4 into 4 into 14. Just form a group of 2. So 14, 3, 2 and 4. 336 centimeters square. Now, therefore, area of parallelogram ABCD will become 2 times area of triangle. So 2 into 336, 672 centimeters square. Okay, so please note down, it was relatively new for you. Okay, but very easy, nothing great about it. Note down this formula in a longer and also it will help you a lot. Okay, my child. Chal. Now second part of the sum. Du. So when my base is AB, what is my height? AB is 28 centimeter. And when base is BC, what is my height? See, area is base into height. So 672, we know the area of parallelogram. Base is 28 into height. It is not perfectly divisible, so it's okay. It comes in decimal. Hope so everyone understood this sum, beta? Huh? So in this sum, we first found the area of triangle ABC. Using Heron's formula. Okay? We found the area of triangle ABC using Heron's formula. Heron's formula is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S stands for semicircular. Okay? But now rhombus comes into the picture. Huh? But a rhombus, all sides are equal. General formula. So perimeter is 4A. That is 4 into side. Also we can say general formula for area of rhombus to be base into height. Okay. Also when diagonals are given like this way, diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular bisector to each other. Remember, क्या मैं बोला? Diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular bisector to each other. Therefore, area of rhombus is half into d1 into d2. Diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Okay. Please don't forget this are the general formula for area for rhombus. Chalo, let's get started. Question 6. Perimeter of rhombus is given as 48 centimeter. 4 into side is 48. Therefore side becomes 12 centimeter. Altitude height is given. Therefore area of rhombus base into height. Yeah, base into altitude. Altitude मतलब height ही होता है बेटा. Very easy sum to begin with बेटा. Question 7 is a reciprocal of the question number 6. So area is base into height. Area is given as 139.2, base into height 9.6. Therefore base is 139.2 divided by 9.6. 1392 upon 96. Okay my child. Now we all know, अगर ये रोम्बस है, मेरा बेस 14.5 सेंटीमीटर है, मेरा एल्टीट्यूड क्या है बेटा 9.6 सेंटीमीटर है. Therefore side is 14.5 centimeter. Therefore perimeter is 4 into side. Each sides are equal beta 14.5, 14.5 and 14.5. Each side is equal beta. So 4 into 14.5, which is how much? 58 centimeter. Very easy sum beta. Question number 8 now. Perimeter is 4 into side beta. 64 is equals to 4 into side. Therefore side is how much? 16 centimeter. Okay. Now we all know area of rhombus is base into height beta. एरिया रोम्बस 184 दिया है, बेस 16 आया, हाइट h. Now area of rhombus involving diagonals beta. Diagonal 1 is given, diagonal 2 is given. Therefore we know area of rhombus is half into d1 into d2. So half into 16 into 24, which is 192 centimeter square. D1 is 14.8 centimeter, D2 is 12.5 centimeter. Therefore we all know area of rhombus is half into D1 into D2, half into 14.8 into 12.5. Perfect my child. Easy sum. Very easy sum beta. But now very important sum. Like this sum you can expect, मतलब मैं अगर मेरे हाथ में होता तो I would have definitely asked this sum in exam for sure. ठीक है. So area of rhombus is given. ठीक है. Find the area of rhombus if each side measures 20 and one of the diagonals is given. So one diagonal and one side is given and we have to find. Okay. But as I said, please understand, in rhombus diagonals क्या करता है बेटा, bisect each other at 90 degree. Okay. In rhombus diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. So question number 11 देखो ध्यान से. डायगनल्स बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर एट 90 डिग्रीज। ओके, सो अगर ईच साइड 20 सेंटीमीटर है, ए बी सी डी ले लेते हैं। ओके, और उन्होंने बोला है एक डायगनल का लेंथ कितना है बेटा, कितना है 24। सो ये हो जाएगा 12 सेंटीमीटर, 12 सेंटीमीटर अग्रीएबल, बराबर बेटा। सो इन रोम्बस diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. Therefore OA is equals to OC is equals to half of 24, which is 12 centimeter. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem. Guys, hope so you have understood rhombus and parallelogram. So till now we completed area of rhombus and we did area of parallelogram. Parallelogram base into height. Also remember b1 h1 equals to b2 h2, and in rhombus base into height is a general formula and second formula is half into d1 into d2. Okay, hope so everyone got it beta, pakka wala, fine. So we'll stop this video here, okay, and then we'll continue in our next session for area of trapezium and so on. Okay, so in this particular session we just focused on two parts, parallelogram and rhombus. Thank you so much for listening us out. Have a great day.